Welcome, wanderers, to a land where history intertwines with beauty, where art merges with architecture, and where every corner sings a story of its own. Join us as we embark on a mesmerizing journey through the 10 best places to visit in Italy. From the vibrant cities to the tranquil countryside, Italy beckons with its allure. But before we dive into this adventure, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a chance to explore the world with us. The Amalfi Coast. Our journey commences with the ethereal Amalfi Coast, a picturesque stretch along the southern edge of Italy. Its pastel-colored villages perched on steep cliffs overlooking the turquoise Tyrrhenian Sea create a sight straight out of a painter's dream. From Positano's winding streets to Ravello's ancient villas, each turn offers a glimpse of paradise. Cinque Terre. Moving on to the charming Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 villages etched into the rugged cliffs of the Italian Riviera. These colorful UNESCO-protected towns, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, are connected by scenic trails, revealing vistas that steal the heart of any traveler. The Dolomites. Now, behold the breathtaking Dolomites, Italy's majestic mountain range, a paradise for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. Its jagged peaks, serene lakes, and lush valleys provide an exquisite backdrop for hiking, skiing, or simply marveling at nature's grandeur. Florence. As we venture to the artistic haven of Florence, we enter a realm where the Renaissance comes alive. The birthplace of influential figures like Michelangelo and Da Vinci, Florence boasts awe-inspiring architecture, including the iconic Duomo and the Uffizi Gallery, housing priceless artworks that narrate history's artistic evolution. Venice. A city unlike any other, where gondolas glide through the intricate network of canals and centuries-old palaces stand proudly against the lagoon's backdrop. The enchanting beauty of St. Mark's Square and the mystique of the Grand Canal weave an unforgettable tale of romance and intrigue. Tuscany. Let's bask in the golden glow of Tuscany, a region celebrated for its rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval towns. The idyllic landscapes, including the timeless beauty of Val d'Orcia and the vineyard-studded Chianti, immerse visitors in a serene, pastoral atmosphere. Rome. Magnificent Rome, the eternal city, where the past meets the present in an incredible fusion. With historic landmarks like the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Trevi Fountain, Rome pulsates with an energy that resonates through its ancient streets and modern avenues. Sicily. Off the coast of the mainland lies Sicily, a treasure trove of diverse landscapes and cultural tapestries. With ancient ruins, stunning beaches, and Mount Etna's volcanic grandeur, Sicily's allure captivates the soul. As our odyssey through these 10 wondrous places in Italy comes to an end, remember, the allure of Italy's beauty is limitless. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell to embark on more explorations with us. Until then, may your travels be filled with wonder and discovery. Arrivederci.